Hi, welcome to Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. Haven't done an update in quite a while, so just thought I would do a quick update. Since the last time I put anything on, we have gotten a new rabbit, a new breed of rabbit, a Chaperone rabbit. So let me go ahead and show you our mama. She was due yesterday, so in the next day or two, she should be giving birth. If not, we'll take her to get her bred a second time. So this is our Chaperone, which I so aptly named Chaperone. Isn't she a beaut? Couple babies yet. Have downsized a little bit. We did manage to sell some of our bunnies, but this little opal male is still here. And his sister, beautiful. And Alaska and one of her daughters, both silver tipped. Good old Oreo. And then this boy looks a lot like his daddy did. So Chaperone never gave birth. So we are trying to rebreed her. You want to watch for 2 to 3 fall-offs with the male. That's the second one. So Chaperone is a Chaperone rabbit, and the broken blue is a mini lop. Right now we're just trying to make sure that Chaperone's hips don't fuse shut, which would mean she wouldn't be able to give birth anymore. So that's just our quick little update from Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy hunt. God bless.